Hey, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on your RDP without changing its IP address. Before we get started, please note that this method only works with the Firefox browser, and it won't work with any other app on your RDP. With that being said, let's get started. First, let's check the RDP's current IP address. To do that, open Firefox on your RDP and visit whoer.net. As you can see, this RDP has a US IP address. Now, let's switch it to a Netherlands IP address. Open a new tab, and visit google.com. Type BrowseSec VPN, Firefox add-on in the search bar, and hit enter. Click on the first search result to visit the official plugin page. BrowseSec is a free VPN add-on that allows you to change your IP address while browsing websites. Click the Add to Firefox button to install the plugin. In the Permissions window, click Add to continue. After the installation finishes, click the OK button. Now, click on the Extensions icon and select the Settings button near BrowseSec VPN. Click on the Pin to Toolbar option in the menu. This will pin the BrowseSec VPN icon to the toolbar for easy access. Now, click the BrowseSec VPN icon in the toolbar and select Start VPN. Once connected, you will be able to see the VPN connection status on the icon itself. To change the VPN location, click the Change button. BrowseSec currently offers 4 locations in the free tier: US, UK, Netherlands, and Singapore. If you want access to other locations, you can upgrade to their paid plan. We will continue with Netherlands as our chosen location. To check that the VPN is working, visit the whoer.net tab and refresh by pressing F5 on your keyboard. As you can see, Firefox is now using a Netherlands IP instead of the US IP from the RDP. And that's it. You've now successfully set up a VPN on your RDP using Firefox. Your RDP's IP will remain the same, and you can connect to it using your existing login details. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.